Welcome to the Slow Home Studio. We're continuing along with our September kitchen month, and you will notice that we are sitting in our brand new studio set.
That's right. We're pretty excited about all of this, and we apologize for the sporadic programming over the last few days. We've just been really busy trying to get this all organized, and we will take you on a tour of our whole demonstration teaching studio as soon as we get everything finished on the other side of the camera. But right now we're going to be talking about small kitchen design.
Yes, and in a small space, it's really critical where you place your appliances and how you lay out your counters. And in an enclosed U-shaped kitchen, it's best if the fridge goes in the corner against the wall and you have one appliance on each side to make the counter and the kitchen the most efficient it can be.
So if we move to an open U-shaped kitchen, it gets a little bit deeper, so we have to be a little careful that we don't extend that appliance triangle too far. Don't want to get more than 60 inches in any one dimension. And we have to make sure that when we allow for this opening there, that this dimension does not get too small. We want to make sure that we can get the dishwasher and the sink in there without having it getting crammed into the corner.
Yeah, absolutely. So with a peninsula kitchen, you can get a little bit narrower and a little bit longer. And what that gives you is more counter seating. You have a little bit more space on the side of the sink, but the general appliance layout still is the same with one appliance on each side.
I like this kitchen a lot, but you have to be careful that it doesn't get too long or that appliance gets
too stretched out.
Gets too stretched out, and that can be a problem. Here's something that we do not recommend. We don't think this is a good idea. If you have an L-shaped kitchen like this, a lot of times the developer will cut the island off to and eliminate that portion of the peninsula, making it a freestanding island. And the problem with that is when you look at the allowance of the space required for that and the minimum dimensions or maximum dimensions for that, you really end up with a minimal size of island. Sometimes it becomes so small that you can't actually get a dishwasher and the sink on at the same time.
The problem is you have no counter space on that one side of your sink, so your dishes are going to fall off, and then your appliance triangle is too long on that other side.
What we recommend instead, this is the same size space, is to just take that counter all the way across, shift the cooktop over to the back so that now the appliance triangle is like that. Now you've got plenty of room.
Yeah, so remember, in a small space kitchen, you want to be very careful with how you lay out your appliances to maximize the efficiency.
See you next time.
If you're in the Calgary area or planning to visit, we encourage you to register for one of our Fall 2011 live Slow Home Studio courses. The courses are design-based and they're available to anybody. No experience is necessary. Kitchen Design Workshop 1 will be offered Saturday, September 17th from 9:30 a.m. until 12:30 p.m. House Design for Empty Nesters, featuring design tips on how to downsize, will be offered Saturday, September 24th from 11 a.m. until 12:15 p.m. Just How Green Is This House? Seminar in Practical Sustainability will be offered Saturday, September 24th from 1 p.m. until 2:15 p.m. And Green Design Workshop 1, featuring design tips for passive solar design, will be offered Saturday, October 1st from 9:30 a.m. until 12:30 p.m. You can register online at slowhomestudio.com, or you can phone and register at 403-229-4330.